All right, guys, Gina here, Destination Baby Kids YouTube channel. We are going to do a little how-to to remove the material from your Silver Cross Nia travel stroller. So again, this would be, you want to use your car seat without the fabric, the seat fabric on it, or let's say you wanted to do the foldable bassinet on the frame. You're going to need to be able to remove this fabric. So we're going to show you how to do that right now. My first step would tell you to go ahead and put the brake on the stroller so it's not rolling all over the place. I've already done that on mine. If you know where your foot brake is, go ahead and hit that now. The next thing I would tell you to do is to take the foot plate and go ahead and, let me double check under here. Right now we're gonna leave it out, but eventually we're gonna tuck it under there. The foot plate is not gonna come off the stroller. So just something to be aware of. All right. What's the best place to start? Well, the best place to start is gonna be the canopy. My head's probably gonna cut off, but that's okay because we wanna show on this stroller much more than show you what I'm talking about. So here on the canopy, there's a little button that you press on either side, and that is going to be how you get this little plastic piece to pop out of its casing unit. The next step is gonna be, there's another wire on the inside of the canopy that's attached to part of the frame. We're gonna go ahead and gently pull that up on both sides, and that will free. And again, you wanna be very gentle when you do it. You don't wanna yank it, but slow and steady wins the race with all of this kind of stuff. We'll go ahead and pull these metal wires on either side of the product out of their little housing unit. So that's what we've done. Now we've got our canopy sort of flopping around. That's okay, not the end of the world. Underneath the stroller, I'm gonna lift this and kind of show the camera, hopefully. Underneath the stroller, where my hand is, there is a little handle. So you're gonna grab that handle, and that will free the seat component from the frame almost completely, but we're not done yet. There's one more step, which I find to be a little bit difficult, but not the end of the world. This step is gonna be removing the seat from the sail track on either side of the seat. So that is a sliding piece. You'll just slide this out. That was very, very easy compared to the last time I tried it, which was a little more work. So again, practice makes perfect on these kind of products. And now we've got a naked frame. This was talking about the foot plate component. I'm gonna hit my two buttons, tuck this foot plate fully underneath, and now we have the stroller ready to go to accept either the bassinet or the car seat adapter. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. And go ahead and feel free to check out any of our other videos about the Silver Cross Nia.